today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make chicken shawarma at home. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 2 kilos of chicken thigh fillets. So the first thing we need to do is we need to check all these and we need to cut out any bones. Now all this fat, leave it, we need that. Okay, so I've checked all that and that's all good. So we'll set that aside for now. And what we're going to do is make our marinade in a separate bowl. So we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of salt. To this we'll add half a tablespoon of ground coriander, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, half a teaspoon of ground chilli. You can make it 1 whole teaspoon if you want it extra spicy, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, half a teaspoon of ground allspice, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Next we'll add about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll finish it up with about 3 crushed garlic cloves. Now we'll just mix this all together. Guys, what we're going to do next is add in our chicken thigh fillet straight in. And we want to mix them all around and get them well coated. Okay, that's looking amazing. We've already got a beautiful aroma coming out. Alright guys, so we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap, place it straight into the fridge. You can leave it for 4 hours or you can leave it overnight. In my case, I'm leaving it overnight and I suggest you do too for best results. Alright guys, so it's time to cook. So basically I've preheated my oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Now if you prefer, you can actually grill these or put them in the frying pan too, or whatever's easy for you. So if you're going to follow my way, basically we're going to get 1 onion and we're going to need some wooden bamboo skewers. Now all we're going to do is thread these wooden bamboo skewers through our onion just until it goes to the base, just like that. And we'll probably just need 3, so we just need to sort of create a triangle. And we'll put 1 more right here. There we go. And all we're going to do is put our chicken on top of this. So what we're going to do is get a foil tray. We'll place the onions straight in the middle. And we're going to get our thigh fillets and thread them on. Now you want to change the position. So if you go this way, next one go this way. That's probably a better view now of what it looks like. So all we're going to do is put this straight into the oven now. So guys, in my case I'm going to put this in my pizza oven. So I've got it set at 220 degrees Celsius right now. It will be the same exact thing if you do it at home. And we're going to place it straight in the middle. Just like so. And we want to leave it in there for around 20 to 25 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm at the 25-minute mark now. Just look at how beautiful that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out now. Alright guys, and just look at that, how beautiful does that look? So the whole idea of stacking it like that is to collect all that fat. But as I said, you can grill it as well. So guys, we're not going to cut this yet, let it rest for about 5 minutes before you cut into it. Alright guys, so you can use a sharp knife and just cut at it like that if you like. But what I'm going to do is flip it over, just to make it easier. The idea of stacking it like that, as I said, was to get rid of all that excess fat. So we'll pull out our skewers, and need those in there, and using a very sharp knife, we'll just cut it. And guys, how beautiful does that look? Nice beautiful white meat. Alright guys, so that's all our chicken cut now. So you want to go as fine as you can, almost shaved. Now with our onion, don't go wasting that. We're going to slice this. And this is soaked in all our chicken juices, so it's full of flavor. Just look at that slowly peeling away. And all we want to do is slice it. Alright guys, so let's put this together. We'll get our wrap bread. We want to put a decent amount of our chicken straight in. Next we'll get our lettuce. We'll add our tomatoes, I know there's a lot of people out there that don't like tomatoes, but trust me, it goes well. Next we'll add our onions. And of course you can't have this without garlic sauce. So guys, grab it from both ends like that, bring it together, fold it over, push it back, fold it over again, all the way to the end. Slice through the middle, and just look at that. So that's all there is to it. So you don't have to do a wrap, you can make a salad with this if you like. You can have it on its own, trust me, it's a really nice snack. But you can also put this with a side of rice, and it's a perfect meal. But no matter what you do, trust me, it always goes well with garlic sauce. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.